mistakes now. Cause I don't wanna stay. Wanna live my own life. Wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down.
Hello everyone and namaskar. Welcome back to TheWeDidStory. It's our second day here in Phuket, and if you haven't watched day 1 yet, make sure to check it out on our channel. So right now we are at our resort, Mantra Resort and Villa. Just look at this view, guys. We are heading for breakfast because today's plan is island hopping. Look at this spread. Thai resorts really don't hold back when it comes to breakfast. It's like a whole event in itself. Breakfast with your favorite person and a view like this. Honestly, what more could anyone ask for? Wow. So our pickup has arrived. We have booked today's trip through Savano Travels, known for offering one of the most luxurious boat experiences in Phuket. So this is our ride. I have seen these vans in videos, but will be my first time to be in one. Let's go. So we are going to Royal Phuket Marina, which is about half an hour from our resort. It's one of Phuket's most premier marinas, known for its luxury yachts, upscale vibe, and a starting point for private island hopping tours. So they have sorted everyone out with colored bands based on the trip. And we have got the yellow one. Yay! This is their lobby. Check it out. Also turns out they have breakfast here too. And we totally should have saved some stomach space cause we are so full. This is one of our guide, Mr. One. Just wait for the second one's name.
Actually, on our boat for today, we have two guides, me, Mr. One, English speaking guide for you, and one more tour guide, Mr. King Kong. Mr. King Kong.
King Kong? Really? So these are the islands on today's tour.
Royal Phuket Marina, and the first stop for today, we will say we go to the first.
This place is so beautiful and it's very big.
You want to get some picture for the souvenir, you can stop for the
Hey, beautiful. Look at these yachts, guys. They're so big. Wow. Royal Phuket Marina is Asia's first and so far only carbon neutral marina. From solar rooftops powering over 38% of its energy, eco sea beams cleaning microplastics daily, to solar EV chargers and rainwater systems, it's luxury that cares for the planet. This is our ride, a Catamaran cruise. It's spacious with a wide and stable deck and glides so smoothly over the water, you won't even feel the movement of the sea. And here we go. We have reached our first island, which is the Khai Nok Island, but here my iPhone got heated up because I tried to do a time lapse and I couldn't make any video here. We feel so sad about it, but I do have some photographs. This whole ride just had such a good vibe. From the guides to the people, everything felt perfect. This is Monkey Bay, and the guides have strictly told us not to feed the monkeys, I think because it alters the natural behavior and they become dependent on humans, I guess. It's time for some lunch and we are going to Phi Phi Don Islands. That is Mr. King Kong calling for the yellow team. He's a very funny guy.
Okay.
So we'll be eating at the Arida restaurant. There it is. Let's go. Every food place we have been to in Thailand has such a massive menu. We always end up confused and then just eat everything. Started to drizzle a little, but honestly, it's a relief from the sun. This is Phi Phi Island and a quick stop for photos and videos. After this, we'll be entering into Leh Lagoon through that narrow path over there, you can see. So we have arrived at the Leh Lagoon. It's surrounded by huge limestone cliffs and the water here is super clear and calm. It's the perfect spot for a swim and snorkeling.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, brother. She'll jump once. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go!
Kenapa?
Are you okay?
Hey, mata lagi.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising.
underwater, seeing all these fishes and coral reefs, it's a whole different experience. It honestly feels like time has just stopped. Viking Cave, named after the ancient drawings on its walls that resemble Viking ships. Famous not for warriors but for birds. This cave houses the prized swiftlet nests used in birds' nest soup. Entry is prohibited. Maya Bay was closed off by the tide, but from Leh Lagoon we got a glimpse of its beauty. Now that's a wrap on our island hopping tour. We are on our way back to the pier now. What an incredible day it's been. After taking some rest at the resort, we are now heading to Old Phuket Town, a colorful blend of history, culture, and charm, known for its beautiful Sino-Portuguese buildings, lively streets, and amazing local food.
Music.
Yeah.
Harry Potter.
birthday.
How many of you have watched Harry Potter? Comment below.
ดูก่อนได้เลยนะคะ
Wow, they look so delicious. Can't wait to try them. Oh wow, so tasty. So I am a pork lover. I'm a die-hard fan of pork, and this one I'll have to try. It's so delicious. If someone asked me, is Thailand really worth it? I'd say it's heaven. Krabi's beauty and Phuket's vibe were just the beginning. And trust me, there's so much more to see. Watch our other Thailand videos on our channel for more amazing moments. So this is the end of a beautiful Phuket trip. But remember, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. This is the We Did Story, signing off.